this is me. Look out, 'cause here I come. And I'm marching on to the beat I drum.
You doing way better and all out of your feelings. Yo, it just came back and your ass is getting a little bigger. Girl, fuck that little nigga. Girl, fuck that little nigga. 'Cause you don't deserve that. Girl, you don't deserve that. Girl, you don't.
Hey Goofy Squad, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Malia.Angelic. As you can see, this is my third week, starting my third week of HelloFresh cooking videos. So the first meal we're going to be cooking this week is Sizzling Hoisin shrimp with ginger, scallion rice, and crispy green beans. Ding ding. Okay, so prep 10 minutes, total 30 minutes, calories 590. Just letting you guys know, I am filming with my back camera again because, you know, we're trying to get out one more time just to see if you guys can tell a difference, or if I can tell a difference, because I don't know. But the ingredients include scallions, garlic, jasmine rice, shrimp, sesame seeds, ginger, lime, green beans, and Hoisin sauce. Those are all the included ingredients, but the ones that is not included is vegetable oil, butter, salt, and pepper. Always gonna have salt and pepper. Always, just so you know. And most likely an oil. Okay, so we, Wine Club, oh my gosh. Pair this meal with a HelloFresh wine matching this icon. Fresh! Ding ding! Woo! Okay, so we're gonna get into the first 3 steps, then the next 3 steps, you know, like we always do. So let's get right into it. Hi! Okay, step 1, prep. Adjust rack to top position and preheat oven to 425 degrees. Wash and dry all produce. Trim and thinly slice scallions, separating whites from greens. Peel and grate or mince ginger. And then, mince garlic. Quartered lime. Step 2, cook aromatics. Melt 1 tablespoon butter in small pot over medium-high heat. Add scallion whites, the whites, not the greens, and half the ginger. Cook until fragrant, 30 seconds to 1 minute. Step number 3, cook rice. So, like you guys saw in my last video, I'm going to be using a rice cooker because last time I tried to do it on stove dealing with HelloFresh, it didn't work out. It was still hard and no. So this time we're just going to keep using a rice cooker because rice cookers, like literally when you use a rice cooker, you just find out what is the ratio for water and rice. And for jasmine rice is 1:1. So I usually have like half a cup maybe, and then I have half a cup of water, and then it cooks, you know. And with the rice cooker, you just press it down and it's gonna be in cook. But then when it's ready, it just switch over to warm. So that's how you know. No errors needed. Okay, but step 3, cook rice. Add rice, 1 1/4 cups water, and a big pinch of salt to same pot. Bring to a boil, then cover and reduce to a low simmer. Cook until rice is tender, 15 to 18 minutes. Keep covered off heat until ready to serve. Okay, so we're gonna get into the first 3 steps. Like I was saying, it's always like prep base. And then we get into the protein and all that stuff. So, yeah. Do I look good? I don't know. I bet I do. Because self-confidence is key. Okay, step number 4. Marinate shrimp. Should we do this a day before? Oh well. While rice cooks, rinse shrimp and pat dry with paper towels. Toss in a medium bowl with garlic, half the Hoisin sauce, and remaining ginger. Season with salt and pepper. Set aside to marinate for at least 5 minutes. Maybe. Okay. Excuse me. Step 5. Roast green beans. Meanwhile, toss green beans on a baking sheet with a drizzle of oil and a pinch of salt and pepper. Roast, tossing halfway through until brown and slightly crisp. 12 to 15 minutes. And then, final step 6. Finish and serve. Heat a drizzle of oil in a large pan over medium-high heat. Add shrimp mixture and cook, stirring until shrimp are opaque, and cook through 3 to 4 minutes. Divide rice between plates, top with green beans and shrimp. Sprinkle with scallion greens and sesame seeds. Serve with lime wedges on the side. So we're finna get into the last 3 steps of this video, and you will see the finished results. And one thing I want to say about HelloFresh is you always have a good portion of what you really need to eat, like a balanced diet type thing. Like you have your meat, protein, whatever, your vegetables. The only thing you don't have is like fruit. But you just get a good portion size of a meal, like a real meal. And I recommend this for when you're in college and you have a kitchen, because it makes your life so much easier than trying to go to the grocery store, try to figure stuff out, probably spend more money than you need to. So yeah, let's get in the last few steps, and I'll see you guys later. Bye. Okay guys, we're at the end of the video. Time to serve. Got my trusty old plate, as always. Gotta make sure it don't fall down. Okay, get my rice. Then I get my green beans. Let me get the green beans. Okay, salt, I don't know. Okay, then we get the shrimp. I love me some shrimp, baby. And this is the finished result. I'm gonna squirt some like lime on it, you know, get that citrus. Oh my green beans, put it on my rice. You know, just a little taste. Might put some hoisin sauce on my rice because we don't eat white rice no more, baby. Well, it's jasmine rice, but it's white, so you know. But yeah, this is it, guys. All right. It is finally the end of this video. All right, guys. So I really thank you for coming and watching my videos through the whole thing. I enjoy cooking. When I was younger, I wanted to be a chef, but then I was like, nah, because when I watch MasterChef Junior or just MasterChef, and I'm just like, these home cooks be cooking and the little kids, and I'll be like, if I grew up cooking like that, like with a cooking background, maybe it would have been better, but it's okay. I'm a nursing major. Well, a pre-nursing major. I'm not nursing yet. But fingers crossed, guys. But yeah, thank you for coming to my channel. Thank you for subscribing. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. We're on a road to 100 subscribers. I was about to say followers. Subscribers. But yeah, like all YouTubers say, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll be back with more cooking videos. Peace.